Hey, how's it going? You are looking at the 2025, I assume, Hot Wheels mystery bag Maximum Leeway. This thing came out of a package that looked like this. It's number 5 in the series, and there it is. As you can see, it has a green detail up there on the wing. The Hot Wheels logo there, a little circle there, the number 5, HW Graphics, Maximum Leeway, all the fun things on there. Now, I did notice that there is here's the top-down view. I did notice there's a tampo error here on the side. It's all shifted down, but it's supposed to look like this side. So when I open this, I like this car. I think it's cool. I intentionally bought it. If you don't know, you can look at the numbers on the printing on the bags. And I'll show you that real quick, I guess, and see which card you're going to get, or car you're going to get. So if you fold this tab up right here, there's a number right there. This one's a Bugatti, but this one was number 5, I believe, which is ironic because it's number 5. Anyways, this is the car that came in that package in 2025. I bought it in 2026. Now, I thought it looked very familiar. So I went back in my backlog and I pulled this car out. This is the 2024 regular Treasure Hunt Maximum Leeway. Now, you can see there are some minor differences. It says Hoosier up on the wing. The sponsors along the bottom are slightly different, but aside from that, this is basically the same car. You can see that it has the Treasure Hunt logo there. This one's just like muddied out, but it's basically the same car. So there is a slight difference on the top. They used a chrome interior and they used the just regular gray on here. And the Hoosier detailing is gone from the entire car. But basically, I mean, if you're yanking these out of a toy bin, I don't think you'd really know the difference. So I'm not sure how I feel about this. I think Mattel should try a little harder. Maybe it makes I feel like this one makes the 2014 Treasure Hunt significantly less special, because it's basically the same car. What are your thoughts on that? Let me know it out in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing, and have a great day.